Hey, good afternoon, guys. I got a solar question for you. Actually, I got a couple questions for you. Up on my roof, and I'll jump up and show you some video of the roof and the view that I have. My question is, as you look at a roof, most people will put their solar panels, in line. Let's say the eave, the gutter of the house. Where that line at the bottom of the house, eave. They would come up on both edges of that. Maybe a foot or 2 foot or 3 foot. And square the panels off to that eave. Okay. So my house, straight up, straight up noon right now in March. Straight up noon, the sun is directly above my house. Sounds like a good idea, right? But as the sun goes down later in the day, I have some trees in the way. So my question is, should I rotate those panels? So like on one end of the house you're seeing, the part the corner you're actually seeing there, put that like a foot above the eave or 2 foot above the eave, let's say a foot above the eave. Then on the other end, which is 50 feet down the roof, or 70 feet for the whole roof. Anyway, on the other end of that roof, 50 feet down, make that end maybe 2 feet or 3 feet above that eave, and kind of angle, so if you had, you know, so basically those panels would be angled more towards morning sun because I have some trees that would block my evening sun a little bit, but I have morning sun from the time the sun rises early. Right now in March, it's probably sun's above those trees at 7:30 in the morning, and then the sun would go probably behind the trees on the other side. Well, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock, beginning of March. 3 o'clock, and I probably got another hour and a half, maybe, roughly. I don't know, before the sun goes behind the trees on the other side. So anyway, I'll go up and jump up there now and take some video of the roof and ask you guys questions. But hey, if you come back and leave a comment on what your thoughts are on it, that would be great. Thanks. Guys, here's my question. Here's the south side of my house. It's beginning of March, and it's noon, almost straight up noon. So the sun is directly above my house at noon. I don't really have anything in the way, so early morning sun in March comes above those trees, travels across, and over here. But I have trees on this side, so by 3 o'clock the sun will be getting behind these trees. So my question is, as the sun rises above those at like 7 o'clock in the morning in March, and as I get into summer, it'll be 5:30 in the morning when it rises above those trees. So if I came off the house straight with my panels, and lined them up with the bottom of the eave straight up, there's noon. Okay, would I be wise to take the panels and lift up this left side so it's looking more at these trees early morning? I think I know the answer to this, but so they're looking more towards the southeast because I have these trees that are going to be in the way. In the summer, those sun's behind those and straight up, probably about 5:30, maybe, I don't know, something like that. So it's noon right now in beginning of March, and the sun's straight up, parallel to the roof. So that's my question. Do I line my panels up straight with the eave? Because, like I say, there's nobody behind me that's going to see these panels or my roof. We're redoing this roof in early spring, or maybe late spring, I don't know. Probably late spring. We're going to redo this, and that's when I'll set the anchors and all the stuff for the panels. We're going to move all this stuff up, get in the plumbing in the attic and move them up. So I have more room down here on the bottom. It's about 70 feet from that side to that side. So anyway, that's my question. Do I angle my panels more to be that way? So basically down there, that end is towards, the eave. And then this end, have it maybe above the eave a foot or two. You know what I mean? A foot or two higher than that end. to get the angle more that direction instead of that direction to catch the morning sun, because I have trees in the evening. Like I said, if this was, if this was a house and there was other houses here, they're going to see my roof, I think that would be a different story. But with ours, there's nobody going to see it. Maybe people will drive them down that road, maybe. But it's a dead-end road, so it's not really going to have a lot of traffic, and I don't really care. So, angle it that way. Okay, my other question is, my Starlink. My other question is, this side of the garage, is it worth the money to put, I don't know, maybe 4 panels across that to catch that morning sun? Is it worth the, whatever the money is for those panels to put across where those vents are? I think it is. I'm not sure. I'll have to think about that one. But that's another question. Catch that morning sun, because like I said, the sun rises straight up from those in the summer, 5:30 in the morning. And then you'd have light on those till, I don't know, in the summer maybe, well, you'd have some, till 1 o'clock maybe. Well, right now till 1 o'clock. That's my question, I guess. Anyway, guys, comment on the video. Let me know what you think. Have a good afternoon, guys. Thanks.